Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Jenny, and today I'm just kind of running some errands. I just dropped Sean off at work. I'm gonna go to the pet store to get some food for our cat Binx, maybe get him some treats, and then probably go to Dollar Tree to get a few food items. They have some actually really good stuff there, so if you haven't been there and you don't grab groceries there, why not? Because they have some really good deals, so check them out if you have a Dollar Tree near you. And then I'll finish some laundry at home, so let's go to the pet store. I just got out of PetCo and oh my gosh, I am so indecisive. So we've been feeding Binx a Hills Science diet for weight management because he's not huge, but he's definitely a little chunky. So we're trying to get his weight down, and I feel like I haven't noticed any difference with it, but he's really cute and he loves to beg for food, and we need to get better at that and not allowing him to constantly be having food, which is hard because he's cute and he is our baby. So I was at PetCo and trying to find something different, maybe a little bit cheaper, just to try to be stricter. I also got some little wet cans. So yeah, if you have a cat and you've had success in weight management food, what brand have you tried that works? Like I said, we've tried Hills, but we personally just need to get better at being more strict with how often we're feeding him, and you know, trying to ignore his cute little meows and screams for food. I know Royal Canin is one that a lot of people really like, and I know it's recommended, but it's just so expensive, and with me not working, it's a bit too much. And then there's other brands, there's like Purina Pro Plus or something like that, and then there's regular like Purina 1. There's just so many brands, and I don't know, and I know like we need to find a vet to take him to also. Maybe they can just recommend something that's better and good for him specifically. But I thought I'd ask, if you have a little cat, let me know, please. Help us out. So now the fun part of going through all the groceries and trying to fit everything in the freezer. So one thing that we absolutely love are these little Red Baron mini deep dish. They are so good, and it's such an easy little thing to just throw in late at night, or you know, just after a long work day, or for Sean to take to work with him. I got like literally 4 boxes of these. These pizza snack rolls are so good. I like them better than the name brand ones. They're just really good. They're good quality, and they're only like $5, I think. And then a hidden gem at the Dollar Tree is their fries. Like, this was $1.25. It's 14 ounces, but like this is enough for like 2 meals for both of us. And then I've gotten their buns before, but I've never had their actual bread. I thought I'd give it a try because we need bread. I'm hungry, so I just grabbed this quick, something just cheap and easy to have for a late lunch, early dinner. Baking soda, we need to refresh the one in the fridge, so I just grabbed this there quick. And then I'm a SpaghettiOs girl. I recently tried the chicken meatballs, which is what this one is, and I actually really like it. I do like to kind of like chop them in half because they're pretty big to me, but they're really good. And then this one I thought was fun, just little Star Wars shapes. I got 2 with the meatballs and then the one without the Star Wars one. And then Tony's Pizza. I grew up on this. We didn't have it a whole ton because back in the day it actually used to be kind of expensive, but it's only $4 at Dollar Tree. I know you can sometimes find it on sale at different grocery stores, like, you know, Kroger and whatnot. They might have it cheaper, but it's a good deal. And then whale crackers. These are so good. I love them just as much as the other little fishy crackers. The whales are really good and they're nice and salty. And then their shelf-stable milk I love because we don't drink milk a whole ton, so it's nice to just have it in the cabinet, and then when we need it, just to grab it, because this is good until August of 2025. Little salty snack. I'm really weird, but I love to eat just tortilla chips by themselves. When I'm craving something salty, it's just a great go-to. And then non-food items, I grabbed this big lotion. I have this one in the, was it cocoa butter scent? It's really nice, but I wanted this one, just a nice fresh scent, because cocoa butter is kind of like sweet vanilla-y. So I grabbed this one for Sean in case he doesn't want to use that one anymore. Utterly Smooth. This reminds me of my dad. I'm trying not to cry because he's passed, but he used to get this in giant tubs when I was younger, and I found it at the Dollar Tree forever ago, and it's really good. It absorbs super quick. These are perfect for just throwing in your purse, having on your nightstand, or, you know, just keeping in the car because they're just like the nice little travel size. So that's everything we got at the Dollar Tree, and then I'll show you quick the stuff that I got at PetCo. Like I said earlier, I'm trying to find a good cat food for weight management, and this one was a pretty good deal. It was like $21.50 or so for 5.5 pounds, and it says weight management on here. He has chicken flavored food now. There was one that I found that I really liked. I don't remember the brand, but it was a bit more expensive, and it was like salmon and sweet potato, so I'm like, I don't know if he'd like that, so got this to try. Hopefully he'll like it. I got a few different little cans of wet food, all weight management. This is obviously the Hills, and then I got 2 different ones from Royal Canin, just different flavors. So he doesn't eat wet food a whole ton, but I grabbed him just to try and for him to have as a little treat. And 2 of the Tiki Cat sticks. He loves these. We got the variety pack a while ago. He didn't really like the chicken in it, but he really liked the salmon and the duck. So I got the salmon one and then tuna flavor for him. And then last little thing, these were just so cute. I had to grab one, just a little new toy for him, even though he has a million scattered around the floor. Trying to get better at washing our sheets more often. And then I have a couple of little holiday blankets I wanted to wash that we just got too. Trying to switch the laundry quick. I forgot my tripod downstairs, so this is the view you're getting. Just my head. Got our bed sheets, had our little blankets. These smell so freaking good. Love them. I'm gonna throw in a couple. So for these, I like to add stuff because it's $1.25. There's not a whole ton of cheese and stuff on it, so I like to add some extra cheese and stuff on it. It's kind of sad, but I just wanted something simple to grab. I didn't feel like making anything, so that's my dinner. It's actually pretty good. Okay, sheets are clean, so now the fun part of putting it all back together. Joys of having a cat. Debating between which blanket to put at the foot of the bed. We have this red snowflake, season's greetings, winter wishes, just general idea, or la 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 little deers and snowflakes. Which do we think? So here is our bed, and then we have our little snowman, and a little deer and pillow and gingerbread. What do we think? Do we think option 1, snowflakes, or 2? I don't know. Binx, which one do you want? So that's pretty much my day. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I know it was kind of just a random day running some errands and whatnot, but I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you'd like to see from me next down in the comments below. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.